In this video you will learn the benefits of patchouli essential oils. Here are some of the uses, benefits, and side effects of patchouli oil. The patchouli plant is a type of aromatic herb. Essential oils are derived from the leaves of the patchouli plant. In recent years, researchers have been actively studying many of the uses and benefits of patchouli oil. I will list some of the key ones here. Anti-inflammatory properties. Pain relief. Analgesic and anti-inflammatory activities of the methanol extract from Hocostemon cablin. Skin application. For weight loss. While no studies in humans have been performed to evaluate this, a small 2006 study in rats looked at the effect that inhaling patchouli oil had on factors like body weight and amount of food eaten. A recent study observed that patchouli oil was able to disrupt biofilms and some virulence factors of methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus, MRSA, strains. Antiviral. Antifungal activity. As an insecticide. On your skin. If you're concerned about having a skin reaction, conduct a patch test before using patchouli oil on your skin. Try a patch test. Inhalation. Patchouli oil can also be used for aromatherapy via methods like steam inhalation or a diffuser. It's often used for things such as skin conditions, relieving stress, or controlling appetite.